welcome to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start a new concept of exercise 2.2 class 9th Maths NCERT book. That new concept is zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial, because this concept is going to be used in exercise 2.2. So it is very necessary for us to complete this concept and then start the exercise 2.2. Alright, so what is the zero of the polynomial? Let's suppose we have some polynomials like 2x minus 2 or y minus 1, something like that. Okay, and I say if I take x equals to 0 in first polynomial, then what do we get? So let us put that value 2 into 0 minus 2. We are getting minus 2. Okay, we do the same thing with the second polynomial. If I take y equals to 0, then we will be getting 0 minus 1 minus 1. Now in both of the cases we took some random value of x and y and we got some answers as minus 2 and minus 1. But what if I take x equals to 1 for the first polynomial? Then we will be getting 2 into 1 minus 2, that is 0. Yes, and here if I take x equals to 1, y equals to 1, then I'll be getting 1 minus 1, putting the value of y, 1 minus 1, I'll be getting 0. Yes, so what do we mean by zero of the polynomial? See, the value of x or the value of the variable at which the polynomial is giving us answer as 0 is called the zero of that polynomial. It means, was x equals to 0 the zero of the first polynomial? No, because it was not giving us 0, rather it was giving us minus 2. Same happened with the second one. We took y equals to 1 and it gave us 0, whereas in the first one when we took y equals to 0, it was not giving us 0, it was giving us minus 1. So the value of y at which the polynomial gave us 0 is called the zero of the polynomial. Okay, so what is zero of the polynomial? The value of the variable at which the polynomial is giving us 0. I hope it is clear. You can go through this concept again and understand that before starting exercise 2.2. Let us start with the first question of exercise 2.2. So this is the question number 1. Let's read it. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at these 3 different values. Okay, starting with part 1, we have, let us write the polynomial first, plus 3. Now putting x equals to 0. We just have to get the value of this polynomial at this x equals to 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into x square means 0 square plus 3. Solve it. 5 into 0 will get 0, minus 4 into 0 again will get 0, plus 3. So answer is 3 of the first part. In the second part, we are going to put x equals to minus 1. Again, write the polynomial in your notebook. Then start putting the value as x equals to minus 1. 5 into minus 1, put that thing in bracket, minus 4 x square minus 1 square plus 3. 5 into minus 1 will give us minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 square will be minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus minus is plus. Okay, so we'll get plus 1 plus 3. This will give us minus 5, minus 4 into 1 will be minus 4, plus 3 will get minus minus plus here minus 9, and sign is of greater number, plus 3. Now minus plus is minus again, 9 minus 3 will be 6, but you will be taking sign of the greater number. Minus 6 is the answer of second part. Taking third one, it is 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to 2. So I am going to take x equals to 2, 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. If there is no sign in between, then we'll consider it as multiplication. Alright? 5 into 2 will give us 10 minus 4 into 2 square, that is 4 again, plus 3. If you are not able to do the questions very quickly, then do write each and every step you require so that you get the correct answer. Do not rush towards the answer or the solution, because you will be getting it wrong. Okay, so 10 minus 4 into 4 will give us 16 plus 3. Now here, according to BODMAS, we'll be adding first. So we have plus 10 and plus 3. Okay, so plus 10 and plus 3 will give us plus 13 minus 16. It will give us plus minus is minus 16 minus 13 will give us 3, and the sign will come of the greater number. So these are the three parts of first question, and these are the values of the polynomial at different values. Now coming on to question number 2. This is question number 2. Let's read. Find P0. It means find the value of polynomial, because I have already told you, I have already explained in the first video of polynomial that we denote polynomial as Px. Here x we will be taking as 0 in the first part here, and in the second one we are going to take polynomial for x equals to 1, and in the third one we are going to take x equals to 2. We are going to solve the polynomials for these three values. Let's take the first part. Py equals to y square minus y plus 1. Okay, so we are going to take y one by one. First we'll be taking 0, then 1, and then 2. So first taking y equals to 0. Y square 0 square minus 0 plus 1 will give us 0 minus 0 is 0, plus 1 will be the answer. Now taking y equals to 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square will give us 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0, and plus 1 will be left. Same at y equals to 2, because the variable in this polynomial was y. So I am taking the values of y. Y equals to 2, we have 2 square minus 2 plus 1. It will give us 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 will be 2, plus 1 will get 3. So first part, taking all these three values, is completed. We'll go on to second part. Here I will draw a line. Now second part is pt. Now here the variable is t. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, it is t. It is not plus 1, it is t. 2 plus t plus 2 square minus t cube. Putting the value of t 0, 1 and 2. First taking t is equals to 0, we will get 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square will give us 0, minus 0 cube is 0, so 2 will be the answer. Taking t is equals to 1, we will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Solve it. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So at t equals to 1, we have the value of the polynomial as 4. Taking t is equals to 2, 2 plus 2t square minus t cube. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square, 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Okay, just putting the values of t. So the first two terms, 2 plus 2 gives us 4 plus 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. 4 plus 2 into 4 will give us 8 minus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 will give us 4. So the second polynomial at t equals to 2 will be giving us 4. Coming on to third part. Okay, so in the third part we have px equals to x cube. Here again we will be taking x is equals to 0, 1 and 2. First we are taking x equals to 0. We will have px equals to x cube, 0 cube, it will give us 0. At x equals to 1, px is equals to x cube, 1 cube will get 1. And at x equals to 2, px is equals to x cube. We will put x equals to 2, 2 cube is 8. Okay, so this is the third part, and the fourth part is px equals to x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. No need to expand this expression. We are just going to solve it as it is. Taking x equals to 0, 1 and 2. First taking x equals to 0, px equals to 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. It will be minus 1 into plus 1. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 1 is 1. For x equals to 1, px equals to 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0, and 0 multiplied by anything will give us 0. Third is x equals to 2. So px equals to 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, so multiply. 2 minus 1 will give us 1, and 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Answer will be 3. We are completed with the second question, all the parts. Now coming on to third question, that is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So we have been given value of the variable against each of the part. We have to put that value in the polynomial, and we are going to check whether that value is the 0 of that polynomial or not. Now we know that 0 of the polynomial is nothing but the value of the variable, which will give us 0 when we put it in the polynomial. Starting with the first part, we have px is equals to 3x plus 1, and we are going to take x equals to minus 1 by 3. Now put it in the polynomial. 3 into x, x is minus 1 by 3, plus 1. According to BODMAS, we will first solve multiplication. Here 3 will be cancelled. We will get minus 1 plus 1. It gives us 0. So, we have got 0. Hence, x equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 was the 0 of this polynomial. So, you have to verify. Yes, you have verified because you have got 0. Now, in the second part, px equals to 5x minus pi. We are going to take x equals to 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. It will give us, first we will solve multiplication. So 5 got cancelled and 4 minus pi. And the value of pi is 22 by 7. If you solve it, you are never going to get 0. Just solve the question and get the answer here. But we can say that x equals to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of this polynomial. So, you have to write no, it is not the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, coming on to the third part. Taking the third part, actually this question has been copied wrong. It was x square minus 1 and x we have to take as 1 and minus 1. Okay, so here it is written x, but it is 1 comma minus 1. Okay, correct that. Now put the value 1. We are going to verify it for two values, first for 1 and then for minus 1. Put the value of x 1 square minus 1, you will get 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so x equals to minus 1 was the 0 of this polynomial. Now going to put minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 square will give us 1. Oh, I'm sorry. Minus 1 minus 1 and we will get 0. So for both of the values x equals to 1 and minus 1, this polynomial is getting 0. Hence both of the values are its zeros of the polynomial. Coming on to fourth part, we have px equals to x plus 1, x minus 2. And two values of x are given, minus 1 and 2. First putting x equals to minus 1, we will be getting minus 1 plus 1 in first bracket and minus 1 minus 2 in second bracket. Minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0, right? Minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3 because minus minus is plus. Any number multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So no need to worry. This x minus 1 is, x equals to minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Putting x equals to 2 now. So here x equals to 2. X plus 1, 2 plus 1. X minus 2, 2 minus 2. This became very easy. Why? 2 plus 1 is 3. Multiply 2 minus 2 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So this was the most easiest part till now. We have got 0 both of the times. It means x equals to minus 1 and 2 are both zeros of this polynomial. Now the fifth part is px equals to x square, where x will be taken as 0. Put the value of x equals to 0, 0 square. Oh my god, now we are getting very simple, extremely simple questions. So we got 0, yes, x equals to 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now the second part is, sixth part is px equals to 1x plus m, where we will be taking x equals to minus m upon 1. Put the value of x as minus m upon 1, 1 into minus m upon 1 plus m. 1 will get cancelled, or you cannot consider 1, it's your will. Minus m plus m will give us 0, because plus minus is minus, m minus m will give us 0. Okay, so hence x equals to minus 1 upon m minus m upon 1 was the 0 of this polynomial. Coming on the 7th part, px equals to 3x square minus 1, where x is equals to minus 1 by root 3 and comma 2 by root 3. Okay, so I will rub this 5th one. Or 6th as well. Now in the 7th one, when px is equals to 3x square minus 1, we have to put x equals to minus 1 by root 3 first. 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Solve it very carefully. Minus 1 square will be minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 only. 3 got cancelled. We are left with 1 minus 1, which will give us 0. Easy. So x equals to minus 1 by root 3 is its 0. It's the 0 of this polynomial. Taking x equals to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 square minus 1. 3 multiplied by 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1. Cancel this 3 because we are going to solve multiplication first. Here also, I'm sorry, I forgot to place the brackets. Yeah, we have got 4 minus 1. This will give us 3. So we are not getting 0 by putting 2 by root 3. It means 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Coming on to the next part, and the last part is 8th. Okay, in 8th part, we have been given px equals to 2x plus 1, x equals to 1 by 2. Put the value of x as 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 got cancelled and we get 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Hence, we are not getting 0. X is equals to 1 by 2 is not the 0 of this polynomial. I hope you understood. Revise all these parts, you will get it more clear. Jumping on to question number 4. Okay, let's read this. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now, how are we going to find that? Because till now we know how to check. Now we are going to find it. Px is equals to x plus 5. This is the first part. For finding out the 0 of the polynomial, we know the value of this variable should be in a way that this polynomial x plus 5 should give us 0. Yes or no? So what should be its value? Can we get by forming this equation? Because I know the polynomial will get 0 if we have x equals to some value which will give us the value of the polynomial as 0. So solving this equation, I got x equals to minus 5. Can we say it is a 0 of the polynomial? Yes, you can check as well. X plus 5, put the value of x as minus 5 plus 5, we are getting 0. Yes. So this is the method of finding out 0 of the polynomial. You put the polynomial equals to 0 and you find the value of that variable. That will be the 0 of that polynomial. Okay. So solving using the same method all the parts of this question. This was the first part. Now the second part is px equals to x minus 5. Put this polynomial equals to 0 and we will be getting a value of variable which is 0 of the polynomial. Third part is px equals to 2x plus 5. Put 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Solve it for x. 2x plus 5 will give us 2x equals to minus 5. Then x will be equals to minus 5. The 2 will go in division. X will be equals to minus 5 by 2, and this is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Fourth part is px equals to 3x minus 2. Put 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Solve for x. 3x equals to 2. X equals to 2 by 3. This is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Solving the other parts, you can solve by your own now. If you can pause the video and then check the answers later. I'm going to solve it for you. The fifth part. Fifth part is px equals to 3x. Put 3x equals to 0. X will be equals to 0 by 3, and 0 by 3 is 0 only. So the 0 of this polynomial is x equals to 0. Sixth part is px equals to ax, and a is not equals to 0, so they have mentioned it. Now what are we going to take? Ax equals to 0. Here x is equals to 0 upon a, and we have got x equals to 0. This is the 0 of this polynomial. Seventh part, px equals to cx plus d. Now put cx plus d equals to 0. Solve it for x. Cx is equals to minus d. First the constant goes. Now for x, c will go in the division. We have got x equals to minus d upon c. We can also check, is this the correct answer? Put this value, if we are saying that this is the 0 of the polynomial, then put the value of x in the polynomial, and if we are getting it 0, then we are correct. C into x, that is minus d by c plus d. C got cancelled, and we are getting minus d plus d. It gives us 0. So this was only the check. Question has not asked us, but I am just doing it to clear your concepts. Okay. So we are done with exercise 2.2. Revise this whole exercise. Try every question by your own, and try to understand all the concepts. We will be doing another exercise and another concepts in another video. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.